Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at the latest Inside Track Club member coupons from Harbor Freight. These are good for the entire month of October. I guess technically they're not considered coupons anymore. They're just exclusive member pricing, member discounts. If you notice, we don't have the barcode or the number below the barcode anymore. But what I'm going to do is open up the Harbor Freight page for each item because the page itself does have the code. So if you are not an Inside Track Club member, you can absolutely purchase online by just adding the item to your cart and then adding that code as your coupon code, promo code. Now, you can also try buying in store by giving the cashier that code. You may want to take a screenshot of the code to show to the cashier, just so you have it. As we get into this thing, I'm going to try and just go real quick and show you each one, so you may have to be pausing the video. But the first thing I want to mention before we get into these things is the goofy-ass pricing. It's really weird. And this Daytona Jack is a perfect example, but I checked all four of these so far, and they're all goofy as hell. So you see $199.99, which isn't even a great price, because we've seen this for like $179.99, and it shows a regular price of $229.99, which is probably pretty legitimate. But if we open up the page, here you see the discounted Inside Track Club price, the was price. No one has ever paid $499.99 for that. That's absolutely ridiculous. I do not know where that's coming from. Here's your coupon code that you would use if you wanted to buy this item. Now, the item numbers aren't showing up anywhere here on this page, so you are going to have to do a little bit of searching on their website if you were going to buy this online, but you have all the information. You should be able to find it easy enough. Now, real quickly, I want to show you what this page looks like if you take out the Inside Track Club portion. And I tried this in an incognito browser and got the same thing, so I'm assuming everyone who loads this page today is going to see this jack for $499.99. Let me check this on my phone so I'm on a different IP address and everything. I cannot believe they're doing that. Yeah, it's coming up $499.99 through my mobile data on my phone too. So, look, totally goofy. They're giving a coupon price that is exclusive for Inside Track Club members, but any non-Inside Track Club member is never going to pay $499 for this jack. Not a chance. So you're forfeiting sales for the entire month from non-Inside Track Club members, or they're just showing this price because it's the first day the new coupons come out? I have no damn clue, but that just seems really weird. And look, I absolutely despise Harbor Freight's marketing. I would probably love the store a lot more than I do if it wasn't for their marketing tactics, because it's just such a slimy, scammy... God. Anyway, we're going to go through all these. I'm going to shut up. We're just going to go through each one. Bam, 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 bam. There's 200 other things, so I don't want this to be an hour long. But you'll be able to pause the video and see the code here if you like something. And, you know what? The only thing I'll probably say as we go is, on this page, it does say the legitimate regular price. So for each one, I'll say, you know, the regular price of this. So you don't look at this stupid $4.99 that is completely asinine and not legitimate. All right, so we have the winch. Regular price is $5.99. Pressure washer, $3.99. Here's the carb compliant one. Same item. We just saw the Daytona Jack, $2.29. The mobile miter saw stand, $124. $19.99. $69.99. $89.99. And we'll see how this works out as we go. This is a whole new format from Harbor Freight, so I got to figure out my new way of bringing these things to you guys. So for this month, this is what we're doing. We'll see how you guys like it, and if this is trash or if you want to do something else. Anyway, $19.99, $49, $159, $3.49, $44.99, $18.99, $24.99, $19.99, $89.99, $19.99, $19.99, $74.99, $66.99, $13.99, $6.99, and this is supposed to be the swivel vise with anvil, number 61329, regular price of $32.99, ITC price of $19.99, but the page won't load, so I can't show you the number because I can't even see it without getting the page to load. $39.99, $24.99, $19.99, $64.99, $9.99, $14.99, $5.49, $34.99, $49.99, $9.99, $19.99, $29.99, $59.99, $74.99, $29.99, and $8.99. $8.99, $29.99, $36.99. We'll have 3 sets of gloves. Now they're doing them by size, so there might be a different number for each one. I actually didn't check to see if the numbers were the same. Anyway, $5.49, large, extra large, medium. $49.99 and $74.99. $34.99, $44.99, $15.99, $34.99, $16.99, $5.99. I don't think a single one of these prices has been right so far. I'm trying to look as I'm going. $13.49, $69.99, $69.99, $99.99, $79.99, $44.99. That one's actually a little close, but we had to lie by $2, I guess. $27.99. Side note, all this Road Shock LED stuff is ridiculously overpriced. We pretty regularly post on the website deals, promo codes for similar 3-inch LED lights. You can get a pair of them for $10 to $12 with the right promo code, so no need to buy that at all. The first was the Spot. This is the Flood, $27.99. $7.99 and $89.99. $20.99, $39.99, $17.99, $16.99, $8.99, $5.99, $28.99, and $24.99. $24.99, I think it's the same thing, just in red. $6.99, $9.99, $19.99, $24.99, $27.99, $7.49, $59.99, $17.99, $54.99, $19.99, $7.49, $14.99, $19.99, $64.99, $10.99. I'm not sure if it's helpful telling you what the more legitimate regular price was or not. I just find it interesting that they've dicked around with all of these prices, and what a headache. $12.99, $14.99, $22.99, $27.99, $24.99, $24.99, sorry, $39.99, $29.99, $8.99, $9.99, $22.99, $22.99, $19.99, $64.99, $16.99, $5.99, $7.99, $12.99, $49.99, $4.99, $4.99, same thing, metric and SAE, $99.99, $34.99, $29.99, and $29.99, $89.99, oh, there we go, $23.99, oh, how pissed would I be if this thing like froze up or something in the middle of this, I have to start all over, yeah, we wouldn't do that, we just wouldn't do it, $39.99, $39.99, $14.99, $9.99, $49.99, 99 cents, saving a whopping 20 cents, and 99 cents again. Half-inch rail, same thing, 99 cents, $7.99, $179.99, $79.99, $19.99, $8.99, $29.99, $15.99, $35.99, $37.99, $34.99, $19.99, $49.99, $59.99, $64.99, $8.99. $139.99. That's an accurate one. They must have missed it. $59.99. $14.99. $54.99. Look at that. $119. Lion scamming bastards. $4.99. Oh, $4.99 is that price. $6.49. $6.49. They're getting me flustered with all the stupid pricing. $6.99. $9.99, $23.99, $34.99, $29.99, $8.99, $99.99, $26.99, $26.99, $9.99, and $9.99. Make sure not to lose your trap door, because if you do, boy, is it a hell of a mess trying to get that thing off. $10.99, $29.99, $5.99, $27.99, $27.99, $5.49, $84.99, $19.99, $9.99. Larger version, same price, $9.99. Oh, it's not. One's ball joint, one's tie rod. I thought it was different sizes. Anyways, $9.99. $15.99. $34.99. $26.99. SAE version, $26.99. $219.99. $5.99. $49.99. $54.99, $7.99, one more at $7.99, $9.99, $12.99, $54.99, and $14.99, $47.99, $34.99, $49.99, $9.99, $69, $6.99, $6.99, $16.99, and $49.99. Got another correctly priced one here, $42.99, $39.99. Maybe as we go they gave up on the bogus pricing. Nope, $9.79. $7.99, $39.99. We're having a bit of a streak here. $19.99, $8.99. When did this start happening? Should have paid closer attention. $8.99. The was prices on the next couple ones coming up here all look accurate, so we can just buzz through here. I wonder if whatever low-level employee they had doing this just got tired of making up fake prices. It's kind of hilarious as we've gotten down the list. The was prices are all accurate now. They do seem to have a slightly better variety of items the last couple of months. Slightly. We got to some brand name items, they just couldn't help themselves. $16.99, $5.99. And back to what they actually were. Alright guys, that's it. That's all the Inside Track Club member discounts, coupons, whatever you want to call them. Again, you're just using that number right there. If you add it to your cart, you can take a screenshot or write the number down, try and buy it in store. But hey, your mileage may vary in that scenario. We'll do it again next month, but I don't know the format. We'll see how this kind of goes. I don't know if I'm real happy with it, but hey, at least you have all the coupon codes. If you saw something you like, you have the opportunity to buy it and get the discount. So, thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.